If you land it right here, $100. Oh! Okay, free skateboard lesson. You ready?
Yes.
Okay, first, show me all the tricks you know, which I think is quite a lot, right? Ollie, start with the ollie. Good, I like it. Frontside 180. Wow, very good frontside 180. So this shows me that you got really good control. You know why? Yeah, because you can like pop it, and then you're not even doing the 180, then turn in the air, which means you got good board control. Backside 180. Yeah, same. Also, you understand where to pivot, which is good. Pop shove it. Yeah, why you got pop shove it? Don't be scared. Don't pop so high. Just do a shove, actually. Just try shove. Yeah, good. Do it again, and now pop, but keep your front foot on the board. Yeah! Scared of those, my beep. Frontside shove it. This one's more difficult. Oh yeah, that's easy money. Okay, kickflip, that's what you want to learn. You've never landed a kickflip?
No.
So you've never landed it?
Never.
How long have you been trying to kickflip?
Too long.
How long is too long?
Like 6 years.
6 years, okay. Kickflip is tricky. We gotta get this flick motion is like up, and then right here, you're gonna pop your ankle. So do that, just stand still and just do the drag up, and now pop the ankle. The ankle, you're going like a little bit to the side, straight up.
Straight forward.
Yeah, from this point, go like this, boom. Yeah, you feel that motion? Up, and then boom. And like that flick, like actually in super slow-mo, what spins the board is that. So now, try to do that. Just flick it and just kick it away. Kick it hard. Front foot, just kick it like you mean it. You got that GX1000, what is that thing at 8.5? It's a monster. Here I got a 7.75, he's got an 8.5. Okay, that's good. Okay, you feel that?
No.
Why no? So that was good, the flip was good. Now we're gonna change the foot that you land on it with. So you're going like this and landing with your back foot. I want you to go like this and land with that front foot. Yes, do it again. Same thing, land with the front foot. Nobody saw that. You gotta get it out of your head that this trick is scary.
I just been bailing for too many years.
I know, 6 years of bailing out the window. Dude, you're gonna land it. Okay, so that was perfect. Now you know what you do now? You bend your back knee and land it with both feet. So there is a skill to it. First, step one is believe you can land it, because if you don't, your left foot is never landing on there. And then you're gonna pop, flick, and this foot is gonna be hanging out very flat, and the board's gonna come to you. Your flick is good, you got it. You just gotta let it happen underneath you. That was a bad one, but you'll do it better. Yeah, you got it, you got it, you got it. Bend both knees in the air, leave your legs high. You freaking got it. This foot is your safety, and you're so used to stepping that on the ground, you have to break that habit. And it's gonna be hard to break. It's a mental barrier. I think if you put a little, like your front foot is on there quite heavy, like put a little bit less. Flick with the toe motion. You're so freaking close. Yeah, so now what we do, we go back to this, and we do 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You feel the motion with your ankle, how it's popping up? Now do it and land. Land on that! Okay, I just want to try something just for fun. Here, try my board. Good. Yeah, it's probably easier on your boards, you're used to it. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 5 and then 5 full flips. Okay, ready? Now, 5 kick flips. 1, okay, that's good. Leave that front foot up there. Oh my gosh, you're so close. Have you been this close for 6 years? Dang it. See, this is the part where it's really hard to break that previous muscle memory, built it up. But your flick is going a little bit like this and then high. Go a little bit more straight, because that's gonna have it go from there to there. So watch my foot. Yeah. I know you can do this because of the way your frontside 180s look. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna do 3 like this. Where you land with your front foot. Step off of your back foot, make your front foot land. Good, 2 more like that. Good. That was a beautiful kickflip. Now, exact same thing, just bend your back knee. Like you have to understand, you're like 99.99% of the way there. The only thing left is bend your back knee and put your back foot on. Yeah, and when it goes from a practice step to the full thing, that's where it gets mental. Good, you landed on it with both feet. Now we need that flick. Yeah, okay, good. Now we're gonna go back to this. I like to do like, if you just keep trying it, it gets exhausting and it gets mentally a battle where you go like, I can't land it. But if you go back to this and you go and do 3 of those and then 3 full attempts, you'll get it. Yeah, that is so good. The fact that you can do that, you definitely can land it. Yeah, that's the practice step, I'm telling you. Perfect. Now land on it. So freaking close. There it is! The first kickflip is the most exciting day of our lives. Perfect. You see how close that is? Oh, was it? That was it. Keep your knees bent in the air. Now you're trying to put your foot down. So your board's like this, and then you're like, oh, catch it. If you would have waited, you got it. You got it. Yeah, you see, it's a system where you can learn any trick because no matter where you're at, you're always improving upon something, right? If it's all in your head, we can hang on to a bar. Yeah, he's like, I don't think you need that either. Yeah, you got it. It's tiring? Okay, take a break. Take just a breather. I'm just gonna do a kickflip. Now you got it. Take a deep breath and land the kickflip. Oh! Yes! Yes! That was good! Okay, that was good. You landed on the tail?
I'll take that.
You can land it better, but I will 100% take that too. That was very good. But you got it. Just because he went right back into trying it again, I was like, for sure you can do it. Okay, that's perfect. Your knees can bend up higher, so do the pop flick and then keep them up. Your pop flick and then you're like, boom, but keep your knees high. Yeah, you got the board control. You can do it. Bro, so good. Oh, that was good. Take a deep breath. You said you're from Stockton? Yeah, cool. Stockton, California, represent. Let's go.
Kickflip right here.
Kickflip right here. Wow.
I was just kidding.
He's just kidding. Nobody saw that. That's what I like to say. Nobody saw that. 6 years he's been at this. We got to break the muscle memory that he's built up for 6 years. Yeah. Yeah, just nice and slow. Don't go too fast. Oh, it was so there. Your feet. Leave them up. Leave them high. Yeah, it is hard, right? It's because you're so like used to like, Yeah, okay, one more thing. A thing I'm gonna try and fix. Put your back foot on there. Like this. Like stand on your board like that. And now hit my foot. Yeah, good. Do it again. Again. So I want you to like, instead of going so high up, you wanna kick my foot a little more straight out. Do it again. Okay, now see how far your leg's extending? Now hit my foot and then bend your knee up into the sky. Yeah, you feel that motion? Now do that, because after you flick, you're bending your knee high and you'll land. That is so good. Yeah, it's good. Now, I can't really practice with the back foot, but you have to do the same thing with the back. If you bend that back up high, you'll be landing it every try. Yeah, just like that. Now do the kickflip like that. Yeah, good. Now, that front foot, if you would have done that motion, boom! There it is!
Yeah, no, I've been doing something wrong because my toe cap's finally wearing down.
Yeah, exactly. Because you were trying it before and you weren't getting that wear on the toe. And after you've been practicing it wrong for 6 years, it's hard to break that. Yeah, so I see that, and I see that your foot is kind of going like this, like, boom, like a little bit weak, when you should just be like, boom, kick it like you mean it. Yeah, just like that. I think that this practice step is the one that's the most helpful for you. Yeah, it actually has a really good looking kickflip. Just like, I see that and I go, there's no way you could not land that. Yeah, that was a dolphin flip. You tired? You exhausted? You ready to give up? Okay, good. Never give up. Okay, I know you don't want to do this. It's gonna help you. You're gonna hold on. You're gonna hold on to the bar and land it, because now you have the leverage. Now land both feet on it. And you're practicing also, like, you put the motion down, you jump, flick, and then keep your both knees up. Good, now it's the flick more into the board, yeah? Okay, good. Now land it with both feet. You got the rail, you're not gonna fall, there's no way to fall, you're on the rail. Oh, what? What? You feel that? Yeah. Okay, now do that without the rail. It's just to give you the confidence, to build confidence. Wow, so right there. You're like so close. You just literally need to go like, I'm landing this one right now. Nothing else is happening. So don't even get out of like correction mode. Like you literally did it, now just land. Yeah, that was it. A little primo action never hurt anybody. Or maybe it did. Here, why don't we do 3 ollies, 2 180s, 1 kickflip. Yeah. What up? We're doing free skateboard lessons out here. You ready for your lesson? He's like, no. Yeah, see? You cannot frontside 180 that good and not kickflip. Okay, now kickflip. If you land it right here, $100. Oh, you got it. You want an ollie?
Yeah, can I try one?
Yeah. I'm just gonna he's gonna do an ollie really fast, okay? Take a break, drink some water. Have you ever skateboarded before?
Yeah, I used to. But
Okay.
that was like back in middle school and high school.
Bend your knees. He's like, I don't even need your lesson. I'm just gonna do an ollie.
I would love to learn how to do a kickflip though. That would be cool.
Everybody wants the kickflip. It's difficult out here. Bend those knees, you're freaking me out. Whoa!
All right,
First try.
Kickflip. What am I doing wrong?
Okay, so what you're doing wrong is you're flicking down.
Okay.
Straight to the ground.
Gotcha.
So I'll tell you the thought process. You're like pop up and then you're like, oh, if I flip this way, the board will spin.
Yeah.
But your foot will also go straight to the ground.
Yeah, I feel like I'm always stomping on the
You
ground.
are, yeah. So the way it actually spins is this motion right there.
Okay.
So you have to go up and like that. But the kickflip is so difficult.
Yeah.
It's like, in my opinion, it's trick number 7. I'm teaching him how to kickflip. You see how good his 180s are and his ollies, like he's solid.
Okay.
And he's still been working on kickflips for 6 years. I'll do the practice up, stand like that and go like this and just do the flick motion. Okay, a little slower, just drag this toe up to there and then pop your ankle high. It will ruin your shoes. If it's not ruining your shoes, you're not doing it right. Okay, now try the whole thing. Just try and flick it like that. What in the world? You do got that. You would need to practice that every day, right?
Yeah,
but you could do it. You can definitely do it.
I appreciate it. That was so much fun. Just an experience.
Thank you. Thank you.
You guys have a good night.
Yeah, you too. Okay, you ready? I think you don't even need any help. You just need to, just land it. Just fully commit. I mean, usually what I do at this point is I scream. And then you land it. So close. So your back foot is preventing your land there. You're kicking it down. So your back foot is stopping it. You need to do less with that foot. Just leave it high. Oh my! You freaking land that right now. I'm gonna get a drill sergeant hat and I'm gonna start yelling at people. If you don't land it in the next 5, 20 push-ups. Now he's like, I hate push-ups. You know what else helps sometimes? You need to just visualize your land. Get how it's gonna feel, how it's gonna pop, flick, the board's gonna spin, you're gonna land on it. Just get that in your head. Visualize it, you got that? Okay, land. Woo! We call that a cancel flip. Your back foot is hitting it. Do your flick later. Like give yourself a little bit more breathe time. Pop it, then flick. Yes! Okay, that was it. That was the golden ticket. That was good.
Finally.
You got it. That was your first ever kickflip.
My first ever official kickflip.
Welcome to skateboarding. He's like, I've been skateboarding for a long time. You have been and you're awesome. That was very well done. What can you tell them that helped you that you think could help them?
The front landing with your front foot really helped.
Yeah.
I tried doing it on my own, but for some reason watching you do it, like I could never do it when I was by myself.
Yeah.
And I tried to oh, maybe I should use the front foot. But when I did it this time, I was actually able to get my front foot on.
Yeah.
That really helped.
It was awesome. Okay, very well done.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. All right, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're getting more people onto skateboards and learning how to do tricks. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.